be installing the snap shades on the Holden Trailblazer, also known as the Isuzu MUX. So the first step is to what we call contour. We contour this curve to the curve of the door. To do that, you put that against your tummy and you can press it down, and then you actually achieve a curve. Now what you need to do, install the shades onto the metal white part, and you'll feel that all the magnets are attached to the existing metal door of the frame. One last step is to install one single mount on the side here on this trim, and this will attach to this particular mount on the furthest edge away from the hinge. So after that's all done, you can just do a slam test to make sure that it's all intact and you're good to go.